have not shown this. I have so many things I need to unbox. If you're
I have something so embarrassing to tell you all. I didn't know mimosa was a flower. I thought it was orange juice and champagne. So when we were in London,
Mes amis and bienvenue to Vlogmas. Oh my goodness, I just found out what Vlogmas was. Britt Shanae told me, and I appreciate her so much. So I'm Jessie, your resident Francophile here on Cappuccinos and Consignment. I focus on lifestyle, travel, and finance. S'il vous plaît, take a moment to like, subscribe, and follow. Follow my blog. Follow me over on Insta. So since I had no clue what Vlogmas was, I decided to do it because that's what I do, the unknown. I do not have a plan, and I am hoping within the days to come I do develop a plan. So as I was walking up the stairs to my dressing room, I said, let me just record my fragrances. A Mesame over on Insta, way, it wasn't that long ago, maybe earlier this year, asked me to just show my fragrances, and I never did. So voila, I am going to flip the camera. I don't know a lot about fragrances. I should lead with that. So these are just ones that I have. That's all. Let me know if you all have any ideas for Vlogmas, and let's see how this goes if I actually stick with it. 25 days of vlogging. Yikes. D'accord. Time for the fragrances. Ciao for now.
so this is the collection. I do not have, I don't think, an extensive collection of fragrances because I tend to get headaches. So I'm really particular about the scents that I have. I actually need to throw out some because perfume has expiration dates. I think the shelf life is maybe 3 to 5 years. I'm certain that can change depending on the brand and all. But yeah, here we go. Absolutely love this. This is one of my favorite scents. I have something so embarrassing to tell you all. I didn't know mimosa was a flower. I thought it was orange juice and champagne. So when we were in London the first time looking for fragrances, when the woman said, oh, like a mimosa scent, I'm like, oh yeah, I love where this is going. Don't tell anybody. So yeah, this is really good. I love Jo Malone, and I have learned throughout the years that I have two, as you can see. I've actually, so with Jo Malone, I do love that you can layer the scents, and they are so good, so good. Here is one of my absolute favorite. Oh, Jesus Christ, I almost dropped it. Replica. It's so good. Coffee break. So here's another thing. I like colognes. I'm not a big perfume, like just fruity scents and all. So I love I don't know the notes. So I don't want to lead you all astray by telling you, oh, it's a oak, it's a this or that. I just like very cedar kind of pungent, strong scents. Black opium. So good. As you can see, I'm like almost out. Actually, is this black opium? Help me. No, I don't think that's black opium. Mesame, tell me what? I don't remember what that is because this is black opium. So I don't know what that is. Yeah, I don't know. This takes time. I will tell you this. This pomegranate noir, it smelled like, I'm trying to be diplomatic about this. It smelled like bug spray. When I first sprayed this on me, I was so grossed out, but I have learned that it's not a spray and go scent. Kind of put it on, layer it with other things, and eventually it'll work out. I don't know where my top is to this. Actually, some of my fragrances have fell, but this is Prada Candy, a classic in my opinion. I know a lot of Mesame may not agree with this, but I don't like Chanel number 5. I think it stinks. Yeah. But I do like this Coco Chanel Mademoiselle. That is so good. Really good. This came for free when I purchased, I think, Coffee Break. They were having a sale, and I got this Beach Watch. Yeah. And I love how it gives you the descriptions on this. Really nice. I haven't tried this yet. Yep, cardamom. This is another Prada candy. I guess I should throw this away. I guess I really like this. So I do remember that product handy right here. And again, Mesame, I'm not into fragrances, so I really can't tell you much. I do remember this one had a black top, and this case recently fell, so I'm missing some things. Marc Jacobs, this is a good one. Oldie but goodie. Let's see. Oh, this is nice. So good. So good. Again, a very strong fragrance. It is not for the faint of heart. Let me just scoot over here. So this, we have Gucci Bloom. I got this when we were in Milan. Let's see what else. So all of my Chanel fragrances I purchased like in Paris. All of my Gucci and Pradas I purchased. So all of my fragrances I've purchased in the country of origin. My Pradas and Gucci's were purchased in Milan. Chanel Chance, pretty good. I feel like I wear that in the summer. Oh, I absolutely love this. If you follow me over on Insta, you will remember the husband got me like a roller ball of this. The husband got me a roller ball of this and it cracked. Yes, slip and fell and cracked. He purchased another one, slipped and cracked, but destroyed my Louis Vuitton Kirigami. So that's why I had to like put these patches on my Kirigami because it messed it up. Now, this was like actually one of my first fragrances when I lived in Italy on Bulgari. So good, but it's old. Like this is over 10 years old. I should certainly throw that away. I think this came with like the YSL set. Are you okay, Jill? Okay. Okay. I don't even know what this is. Oh, the Valentino lotion. Okay. What is this? Flower Bomb, I'm assuming. That's absolutely empty. That's a little bit. I'll wear that tonight. I don't even know where to put this. And I'll link this shelf too, like this display case. And this, absolutely love. Again, another male fragrance, but it's good. And I have like a bunch of samples back there that I won't worry to show you all because if I didn't buy the full one, I guess I'm not that crazy about it.
I have a bit of an unboxing. I have not shown this. I have so many things I need to unbox. If you're messing me over on Insta, again, you know, but this will be the perfect time because we are talking about fragrances. I'm going to flip the camera and let you all see. I'll let you see what fits. And I will also tell you the reason why. Let me just show you. Voila, mes amis, that is a tour of my fragrance shelf. I do hope that you all enjoyed the first day of Vlogmas, and I'm actually curious, like, what are your favorite scents? Again, I'm not a big scent person, but I think I want to try something new, perhaps, but I'm no.
Okay, I am trying to do this with one hand. Let's see, on top of a stack of magazines. Isn't it lovely? It is a perfume case. And so I do not have any of the LV fragrances, and it's because they kind of smell like just other ones that I had, to be honest. But look what it can do. Forgive me again, I am trying to do this with one hand. So yeah, I did not want to buy an LV fragrance just because it's an LV fragrance when I'm not really crazy about them. So I tried it out and it does fit my coffee break or jazz club, whichever. Oh, with one hand. Look at this. Look how gorgeous. The husband got me this when I told you all about the Valentino perfume absolutely destroying my LV Kirigami. He's like, so now you won't have that problem when you travel. It'll be safe. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, love it.
See you all tomorrow. Alrighty. Ciao for now.